4 Tips for Holiday Social Media Marketing. The holidays are a great time to boost your social media strategy. Social media is the perfect place to promote your business during the holidays. People are looking on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Twitter for gift ideas and great deals. With the right social media marketing strategy, you can boost holiday sales, engage with potential customers, and spread holiday cheer. We talked to social media experts about how businesses can use social media to boost sales this holiday season. Have you changed your social media marketing strategy for the holidays? Here are 4 tips on how you should. 1. Use Twitter polls to identify customer pain points. Social media platforms are constantly updating and adding helpful features. Twitter polls are an easy way to engage and connect with your followers online. You can use Twitter polls to connect with them over topics that are trending in global news, or just topics about their everyday life, or get feedback that can help improve your products, or find out which products they prefer most. You can even use their feedback to find out the kind of post they would most like to see. 2. Use Facebook Live, create events and run giveaways. Post Facebook Live videos to give your followers the scoop on your deals for the holidays, what new products you have, or what services you're offering. Along with Facebook Live, you should also use Facebook's events feature. Create Facebook events for any in-store events you might be hosting during the season. The sooner you get these out, the better, and as people begin indicating interest or attendance, more people will become aware of the event and see it in their feeds. Once you've hosted a live video or created an event, be sure to continue to post all your promotions on your social accounts. Post regularly to stay top of mind, and if you have a paid social budget, be sure to reassess your strategy for holiday. Another great way to engage and connect with your followers is with a giveaway contest. People can use a little help this time of year, and the chance to win a big gift that someone on their wish list may appreciate is a very attractive prospect. For the cost of one prize and some shipping, you can also work up a frenzy among your followers as they comment and enter for their chance to win. 3. Use Instagram Stories. Introduced in 2016, Instagram Stories quickly became a popular social media tool, and marketers need to take advantage of this feature this time of year. Stories have nearly taken over the Instagram platform with their temporary availability and features that allow for product feed integration and swipe up to shop, simplifying the purchase experience for users. And don't forget about highlights. Your temporary content can be saved to highlights on your profile for the duration of the holiday season and removed come January. While focusing on Instagram Stories doesn't mean you should forget about posting regular pictures, it does allow you to supplement your content and post more frequently. Instagram Stories can help you showcase your products and their features. You can add links in Instagram Stories that will take followers to your blog or homepage, wherever you desire. You can use clickable posts or offer your products directly from your posts. 4. Engage with followers and get creative. While you use social media to market your business, your followers use it to have fun and engage with their favorite brands. Be creative on social media, offer ideas such as running a contest, create a holiday playlist for your business on Spotify, or offer holiday tips. Tips for the seasonal holidays or winter season, in general, make excellent social media posts. Whether you are discussing holiday safety or decorating tips, the holidays are a great time to give your business a personal appearance and voice. Another idea to consider is a holiday ebook. It may seem like a mountain of a task, but in reality, it can be made fairly simple. You can do it a number of ways, like getting some of your most popular and influential followers to write your ebook with you, or gathering and sharing ebooks that teach holiday home decorating and cooking. You should remember also that analytics are available for business with Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and other sites to help you know whether your social media approach should be adjusted. In creating your company's social media strategy, keep in mind why customers are on the platform. Avoid being too salesy. Let them know you're a consumer, too.